Alright everyone, today we're taking a look at these outdoor seat slash bench. As you guys can see here, they have all the pieces numbered, which makes everything a whole lot easier than some other brands. They even have all your bolts laid out, so you E, C, B, A, D, F, which is really nice. Alright guys, so a little break in between. I've seen people install this multiple different ways, so you guys can you can follow the directions 100%, or you can customize it to see your needs. But installation is pretty simple. It's not that hard. Just follow the directions or do it yourself. But overall, very nice, guys. Simple to install. Plenty of room inside for all kinds of different items. And for those curious about the lining, it's just velcroed in, which is simple. And you also have a zipper that you can zipper it up to keep everything protected as well. Overall, very nice.